Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says which one of the following order is correct for the bond dissociation enthalpy of halogen molecules. ठीक है. So if you arrange halogen molecules in the order, it is F2, Cl2, Br2 and I2. ठीक है, iodine. So if you go down the group, what happens? Atomic size increase होता है. ठीक है, atomic size increases, and due to the increase in the atomic size आपके molecules में bond length increase होगा, and therefore the bond dissociation enthalpy will decrease down the group. ठीक है. But what happens in case of F2 molecule, fluorine molecule में क्या होता है? The fluorine atom is very small size. ठीक है. Due to the small size, the lone pair is having high electron repulsion. ठीक है. यहाँ पे the repulsion between the lone pair of electrons is very high. The repulsion, electronic repulsion is very high. रिपल्शन इज वेरी हाई. ठीक है. अगर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शन आपका बहुत ज़्यादा होता है तो आपका बॉन्ड ऑटोमेटिकली वीक हो जाएगा एंड द बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन एनर्जी विल बी लो. ठीक है. एंड इसका बॉन्ड डिसोसिएशन एनर्जी इतना लो होता है कि दैट इज लोअर देन क्लोरीन एंड ब्रोमीन ऑल्सो. ठीक है. ड्यू टू दिस लार्ज रिपल्शन इन द रिपल्शन बिटवीन द लोन पेयर्स और द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्शंस कह सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो अगर हम we have to compare the bond dissociation enthalpy, then chlorine has the highest bond dissociation enthalpy, then bromine, and then it is fluorine. Fluorine has the bond dissociation energy lower than both chlorine and bromine due to the large electronic repulsion due to the small size. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम इसको bond dissociation energy को compare करेंगे, Cl2 is having higher bond dissociation energy than Br2, then it is F2 and in I2 molecule. ठीक है. So this is the decreasing order of bond dissociation enthalpy, and it is given the correct option is D. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.